In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all photos from a Facebook page. To get started, head over to Facebook and sign in with the account that manages the page you want to work with. This is important because you'll need the right permissions to access the page's information and request a download. If you manage more than one page, take a moment to make sure you're using the correct account before moving on. Once you're logged in, open the Facebook page you want to download photos from. Make sure you're on the actual page dashboard and not just viewing the page as a visitor, since the settings you need are only available through the management view. From there, look for the settings area on the page. Depending on the version of Facebook you're using, the exact layout may look a little different. In some cases, the option you need may appear under Privacy, while in others, it may be inside a section called Your Facebook Information. Don't worry if it's not in the exact same spot, because Facebook's interface can change over time. The key is to find the area where you can access and export page data. Next, select the option called Download Your Information. If you manage multiple accounts or pages, make sure to choose the specific Facebook page you want to export from. This helps ensure that the download contains the correct content and doesn't mix in data from somewhere else. When the data selection screen appears, deselect everything except posts and photos and videos, or just photos and videos if that option is available on its own. This keeps your download focused and makes the archive easier to manage. You'll also be able to choose a date range, the file format, either HTML or JSON, and the media quality. If you want something easy to browse, HTML is usually more user-friendly. If you need structured data, JSON may be the better choice. For image clarity, higher media quality is generally best, although it can make the file size larger. After that, click Create File. Facebook will begin preparing your archive. Depending on how many photos and posts your page has, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. So be patient while the system processes everything. Once the file is ready, Facebook will send you a notification. Go back to the Available Files section, download the archive, and then extract the zip file on your computer. Inside, you'll be able to access all of your downloaded photos. And that's how to download all photos from a Facebook page.